Part of it is there was a bad image of manufacturing that played for a long time. And our students, myself, my children included, looked at it and said, we have to go somewhere else to have that exciting career. That has changed. The image has changed. We have to show them that aspect of it by investing into it, telling them what's out there. They can set a career path and be knowledgeable of what opportunities there might be in the manufacturing environment. Again, I'm partial to paper and that part of it, but we are so intertwined in all the other areas of manufacturing that we all need to be excited about it. We've invested in it. We have high school students working for us part-time, and they go back and share. They share with their teachers, which is a connection. So the investment is really paying off.
We actually have a very good relationship with all the schools in the area. It could be anything from doing job shadows with potential high school students as they go off, post-graduation. We bring tours of elementary kids, middle school kids through. We've done things with donating play sets and trailers and materials and monies to some of the auto programs, building cars and that sort of thing. We also support some of the STEM nights in the area.
We've always seen value connecting with educators in our local market and throughout North America. And I think our educators today have so much on their plates that we as manufacturers really have a very unique opportunity to come alongside educators, bring them tangible, hands-on experiences that they can bring into the classroom, they can bring into the lab setting, and in some cases even provide course curriculum that they can use to enhance what they're doing and do what they do best, which is impact the lives of the students that they're working with. And if we really connect, then we can help those students understand the careers that exist in manufacturers, and in our case, in welding.
The Student Leadership Program targets sophomore and junior students in the Appleton School District. It's about 150 students we reach each year, and it's a 2-year program. So when a student comes in at the sophomore level, they're in that program for both the sophomore and junior year. And through the different sessions that they have and through our partnerships with other companies in the Appleton and Fox Valley region, students really get to experience 6 different companies through their time in the program. So that's 6 different company cultures, 6 different companies' careers, salaries, job descriptions that they really get to experience. So it's really helping open their eyes and awareness to really what manufacturing careers are available in this region and what great paying jobs they have.
I think initially we were a little bit, how's that going to work, and how are employees going to accept them, and how are they going to accept high school students? And I say to people many times, I think it brings out the best in our people. They really care for these students, and they kind of watch over them, they help them. I stop by to check in, I'll talk to the mentors and they say, yeah, we did this, or we're going to be working on that, and boy, they're really doing well with this. Or so there's been many positives with the program.
The thing that motivates me to be involved in this process is I think there's a very big misunderstanding or misperception of what modern manufacturing really is. It's very high tech. It's very, we need to develop people that can solve problems, that can communicate, that can work together and collaborate, and obviously know how to make stuff. And connecting manufacturing businesses with education industry is crucial to making that happen.